Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to sort in Microsoft Excel. Be sure to watch until the end for a bonus tip. Now let's get started. We'll sort using a few different examples. We'll sort by customer, by total sales, by total units sold, by product then customer, by state, city, then customer. First, there are a couple of different ways you can sort. You can right-click, select Sort, then select Custom Sort, which brings up the Custom Sort dialog box. Or you can go to the top ribbon, click your Data tab, and then click the Sort button. Both options bring up the same Custom Sort dialog box. The Custom Sort dialog box might look slightly different depending on your version of Excel, and if you are using Windows or iOS Apple, but the Custom Sort concept is generally the same. It lets you sort on one or more columns. Okay, let's sort by customer. Right-click, Sort, Custom Sort. In this first column, we'll click the column header, and we'll select Customer, and we'll go ahead and use the A to Z option. You can do A to Z, Z to A, or custom list. We'll use A to Z. We'll click OK, and there you have it. The list has been sorted by customer name: Jane, Mark, Samantha, and then Sergio. Let's sort by total sales. Right-click, Sort, Custom Sort. This time, we'll select total sales. And we're going to sort this so we can see largest to smallest. So we'll click here, click largest to smallest, click OK. And now the list has been sorted by the total sales column in descending order, with the most sales on top and the least amount of sales on the bottom. Okay, now let's sort by total units sold. Right-click, Sort, Custom Sort. We'll select total units sold. And let's also do this in descending order. We'll click here, select largest to smallest, and click OK. There you have it. Now the list has been sorted by total units sold, starting with the highest, going all the way down to the lowest. Okay, now let's sort by product, then by customer. Right-click, Sort, Custom Sort. We'll sort by product first. We'll keep that in ascending order. Then we're going to add another condition by clicking the plus sign. Then we'll select customer. We'll also leave that A to Z in ascending order. Click OK. And there you have it. We've sorted the list by product: apple, grapefruit, orange, pear, plum, and then by customer. Now, let's sort by state, then by city, then by customer. Right-click, Sort, Custom Sort. We'll select state. We'll keep it in ascending order. We'll add another condition. Then we'll sort by city. And then we'll add one more condition. We'll select customer. Click OK. There you have it. The first criteria was state. We have California, Illinois, New York. The second was the city. We have LA, Chicago, Lombard, New York. And then finally we have by customer name. Okay, now it's time for the bonus tip. When I work on projects, I sometimes add a helper column called original sort, just in case I need to return the data to its original sort order. As you can see, I added it here in column A. So let's say, for example, I was to sort this by, let's say, unit price, click OK. If I ever needed to get back to the original sort order, I can quickly tell that this presently is not in the original sort order by this column. So if I needed to return to that, I could right click, sort, custom sort, and then select original sort, click OK. Now it's back to the original sort order. That's it. You now know how to sort in Excel using one or more columns and add a original sort order helper column if you need it. Remember to like and subscribe to receive notice of future videos. Thank you for watching.